Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the 3 files and linking them. This gives structure and immediate feedback. Open index. HTML, add the mobile viewport meta so layouts scale correctly on phones. Next, include a simple container with semantic tags like header, main, footer. This helps CSS target content. Once done, add a mobile-first base style sheet in styles. CSS, small screen rules first, and a script. JS file for interactive tweaks. That sets the foundation for responsive behavior. You now build the responsive layout using Flexbox and Grid because each solves different problems. Start with Flexbox for header, nav, and simple lists. It naturally adapts items in a row or column. For complex cards or dashboard areas, switch to CSS Grid to control both rows and columns. Make measurements fluid. Use % widths, max widths, and rem for spacing. Once components look right on narrow screens, layer media queries to refine at breakpoints, like 600 px and 1024 px. You finish by making images and interactions responsive because visuals break layouts quickly. Use src set and sizes to serve appropriate image resolutions and set img max width 100% so they scale. Then, add media queries for tablet and desktop breakpoints, increasing gaps and font size for readability. Once done, test in browser dev tools and on a phone. Inspect touch targets, adjust breakpoints, and fix layout shifts. If an element still breaks, check computed styles and remove conflicting fixed widths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.